with smiles. You are here to launch a membership program of Jawahar Bal Manch. Jawahar Bal Manch itself is started in the name of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who loves the children very much. Whenever we are thinking about Jawaharlal Nehru ji, we will think about Nehru ji's affection towards the children. Everybody distorting histories nowadays, but nobody can distort Nehru ji's affection towards the children. There was Jawahar Bal Manch, the motive, the objective of this organization, which Hari already told you, that to bring the leadership from the very, very younger age. In football, in sports, there is a slogan we used to follow, catch them young. That is the slogan of football, that is the slogan of cricket, everywhere. The best, the 41% of the country's population is below 18 years, India. We need vibrant leaders. He mentioned about M.A. Haridas, who had been a product of Jawahar Bal Manch. We need from you such M.A. Haridas like voice and ways. I am sure that after 10 years we can see lot many M.A. Haridas from this chunk. Now, we know the tradition, history of India. We the people didn't know the history of freedom fight. We know the history of freedom fight. We didn't experience the sacrifice of freedom fight. How India fought against Britain and how we got freedom. These are all the part of history. When we studying history in the schools, we used to study Indian independence struggle. Who fought Indian independence struggle? Indian National Congress for the history of for the freedom struggle. Now, the country's atmosphere, our country's atmosphere, because I think that whenever you are studying in a class, the person sitting near to you, you didn't bother about his caste, his religion, anything. Everybody is our friends. In a classroom, in a bench, we are sitting together. Everybody is our friends. Now, what is going on in our country? Our country is from the child itself. When you are sitting in the bench with another student, somebody is here to remind you that girl is from another community, that girl is from another religion. Then gussa ke liye. That is why Rahul Gandhi told you that day, it is the organization of spreading love, not spreading hatred. Jawahar Bal Manch is the tool of spreading love towards the children of the country. That is the main objective of this organization. Therefore, we used to study, we need to study freedom struggle, we need to study Mahatma Gandhi's life history, we need to study Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's autobiography. You will get a lot many ideas. Automatically you become a lower person. The Bal Manch main objective is to bring children with the love and affection, bring children with the leadership quality, bring children with having different capabilities together, then definitely it will enhance your personality itself. So we need to build our younger generation in a greater level. That is why Jawahar Bal Manch is starting. Maybe it is started by, it is going to be a organization under Indian National Congress. But AICC will never tell you go this way, go this way, go this way. It is the children you have to decide your way. That is the beauty of Indian National Congress. You have to understand. In any other organization, you say they will dictate everything. They will give India decide. Then they will tell go this way only. Don't go that way. We didn't told. We didn't tell you. You take your own path. You go with your own skills. But we will provide all facilities to you. We will provide all protection to you. We will become an umbrella organization. AICC will become an umbrella organization to nourish you, to support you. This is what AICC, you know, Madam Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, you know. Nobody now raising children. How Indira Gandhi had been killed. Indira Gandhi become martyr for this country only. How Rajiv Gandhi has been killed. If any family in this country has such a history, giving two important products of that family have been martyred for the sake of interest of the country, that is that Nehru Gandhi family that we have to understand. Somebody is spreading lies. They will spread lies. So don't believe in lies. That is why I am telling spread hate, love. Don't spread hatred. Spread love. Spread information. This should be the job of Jawahar Balmanch. I don't want to take much of your time. Therefore, I am very sure Hari is a most efficient guy to lead this type of organization. In Kerala, I know this every village there is Jawahar Balmanch unit in there. Every children have the opportunity to show their skill. Every children getting their valuable time for spending to develop their skills. Therefore, I am sure that within 2-3 years, Jawahar Balmanch become one of the best organization department of Indian National Congress. It will be the major organization in the country. That is what we are expecting. We will provide entire assistance, support, everything. But one thing I would like to tell you, in every your curriculum, I didn't go through that curriculum, but learning experience is a better experience for children more than anything. Therefore, Jyoti also telling to me now this side. Therefore, you need to give good. You are already starting library facility, but that should be a pakka system. Wherever that should be very much focused on children's literature. There is no much literature for children nowadays. That is why we need to give an opportunity to learn history, learn important books through this organization. When a student joined in Jawahar Balmanch, when a boy joined in Jawahar Balmanch, when a girl joined Jawahar Balmanch, after 5-6 years, she or he would be the best knowledgeable person in this area. In that way, you have to train this student. You have to train this our boys and girls. Definitely, I am sure that with that, this organization is going to be the biggest organization. Those who are sitting here in each stage now, you are kids. I know, but after 2-3 years, you become perfectly going to be the leader of our NSUI, Youth Congress. Jawahar Balmanch become NSUI, NSUI become Youth Congress. It will be a chain-like organization. Then, one day, you will become very, very, very important person in our party also. With these words, once again I am sincerely congratulating the efforts of Jawahar Balmanch chairman and our colleagues for conducting this type of camps and this membership program. I am very much sure that this organization is going to be a game changer for Indian political scenario in future. Thank you. Jai Hind.